busy morning. I'm running my hair. I look a mess today, but I'm rushing out the door. Got to go pay some bills. You know, take care of the business that pays you. So let's go out on the road and see what I do today. Thanks so much for being here. And I hope you're having a fabulous day and you're inspired to go after your dreams. Keep watching. A small haul of some items that I got from Ollie's and from Dollar Tree. So from Ollie's, first item is this acne control face wash, and then you saw the deal. I did a short. It's these Hydro Boost Neutrogena face washes. They were $4 each. I got 9 of them. I gave 3 to my sister, and I have the other 6. And then I got 2 of these hand soaps, which is the Snowy Kiss Ginger. They were $1. I got 2. My sister got 2. And then from Dollar Tree, oh, one more item. And then I got this. This is my favorite body wash. It's the Dead Sea Collection Lavender Mineral Body Wash. And it was $2.99. And you get a lot of product. 33 ounces for $3. You can't beat it. Now we have the items from Dollar Tree. Got my Mucho Mango Juice Cocktail, sparkling ice, 0 sugar. I got 2 of these toasty crackers. Then I got 1 of the Nico crackers. Then I got a box of tissues. And when you guys are buying tissues, make sure you look and see how many tissues you're getting. That's how they get you. Don't buy the one that has 70 tissues when you could get this for the same price, the one for 128 in there. Pay attention to how you're shopping. And I also got the foil paper. I got the 40 inches because the same price is the one that has only 25 feet. 25 feet, and this one is 40 feet. So yeah, out of everything that I bought, the total was $50 for all these items.
They cook their way to the top.
Who cooks their way to the top?
Asians. They make really good Chinese food.
And that's how they succeed?
Yeah.
I've never heard anything like this in my life. So here is a plate of food that my niece got me from Heavy's, which is a food truck. We got macaroni and cheese, cornbread, turkey wings, look at that gravy on that, and some yellow rice. Does that not look delicious? I can't wait to tear into this. Guys, welcome to today's vlog. So today on this vlog, I'm starting off, it's Sunday. Yesterday I got a package in from my sis Sharhanda the Goddess, and I'm gonna open it up and unbox that. But how was your week going so far? How did it go? Anything exciting happen for you? I'm trying to work on myself right now and get some things done. I'll be talking to you guys later on about some things that have been going on in my life, but I'll talk about just a little bit. But I don't know, there's a thing when it comes to other women that I don't like. You know, there's no shade to other women, but I don't understand why women feel that they have to step on another woman to elevate themselves. Like, if I'm your friend and I do something to you, I hurt you, I offend you, why don't other women feel that they should go and talk to the other woman? Instead, they go pick up the phone and they call everybody else but the person that they're upset with. Like, I don't understand women, ladies. Why can't we talk with each other and tell each other how we feel? Like, you offended me, you hurt my feelings. When you did this is how it made me feel. And I think that's something that we really weren't trained with that most of the time, ladies. We weren't taught to not step down on another woman. It's like we feel like that's the only way there is. And there are healthier ways to communicate. You know, like, hey, I just want to reach out to you. Did I do something to offend you? Did I hurt your feelings? Like, what's going on? You know, having those open conversations is very important, ladies. We don't have to step on each other. We don't have to bash each other. And if you're not getting along with somebody, you have the right as a woman to say, that's a toxic environment. It's time for me to step away. So for all you ladies who didn't get that like me, I didn't get fed that and taught that as a young woman. And you kind of take that into your womanhood, you know, unknowingly, that you can be kind of abrupt or rude. So if you do something, if you hurt somebody's feelings, be willing to say that you're sorry, that you offended somebody, that you hurt somebody's feelings. And I know that it takes you growing up and maturing, and some women just don't have that. And I think it's important as a woman to say, you know, I think I need to work on myself. I think I need to grow, because as a woman, you're going to play so many roles in your life. You know, most women, mother, auntie, grandma, somebody important in another person's life. So be a good example, ladies, and let's elevate, uplift, and encourage each other. Okay, that's enough of getting things off of my head and my heart. So let me take the box and open it up and show you what I got from my sis, Sharhanda the Goddess from the Classy group. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I got. Okay, I just opened up the box. So first thing I see is a card. Hi, welcome Queen to my group Classy, where we're always positive, uplifting, and encouraging to each other. Get ready to have some fun. Love, Sharhanda. Queen Marlene. And like I said, this is from the Classy group. Look at the beautiful shirt. The gold and the purple is so beautiful. I'm going to show you the shirt fully when I open it. So let's see what else is in the box. We got oh, this is beautiful. A Classy cup. So get our sip on. Gal family Pinot Grigio. Okay. We got Bath and Body Works Waikiki Beach Coconut Hand Soap. Okay. Okay. And ooh, I see a lot of candy down here. I see this beautiful pen. Look at the colors in it. Sis, do you know me or what? Do you know that I really love multicolors and bright colors like this? And you chose the right one for me because I love these green Jolly Ranchers. And we also got watermelon lollipops and Dum Dums and peppermint. Oh my goodness, you took me out the candy, sis. We got some Ike and Ike. I also see, oh, this is nice. This will go really nice with my agenda, my journal that I'm going to be working on. So got notes there, agenda, all of that. This is so nice. And that's the end of the box. Well decorated, everything in here, sis. Thank you so much for everything. Now the next clip, I'm gonna open the shirt and show you guys. I forgot to say, I got this too. It's beautiful. Beautiful butterfly card. Sticky note. And my beautiful Classy shirt. Thank you so much. Okay, so here is the shirt. I just took it out the bag and it's Classy for the Classy group. It's the purple with the glitter on it and the gold. This is so beautiful. I love the design, sis. You did so well, Sharhanda, and anyone who designed the shirt. I love it. Thank you so much for allowing me into the group. I love it. Let's go, Classy. Okay, who wants pizza? We got Pizza Hut cheese pizza. I think this is the dinner big box. And it's the square pizzas. Me and my family are fans of the cheese pan. And you get breadsticks with it. And I added on some of the boneless barbecue wings. Friday night, pizza night. Oh, and also we got a soda. Starry. What do you think about the name Starry that they put instead of calling it Sierra Mist? I see no difference in it. But anyhow, my family is ready to attack the pizza, so just wanted to share this clip.